Alright, so what are we up to today? Well, we are going to put on saddlebag drop guards. And simple fact, because I'm getting older and not as strong as I used to be. So, I don't know, just in case, I already pulled a rookie move and, you know, hit the front brake in the grass over there and the bike went down. So, yeah, I put a little scratch in the saddlebag on the other side. So, I'm not going to record the whole thing because that would be torture for all you folks. So I'll just chime in back and forth and show you the progress along the way. Okay? Alright, so I made quick work of stripping off the saddlebags on both sides and getting the seat and side cover removed. You're going to need a T41 for this, T45 for this here bolt. Your bike may or may not have them. You're going to need a T45 for that and 9/16. This one here, same thing, T45 and a 9/16. This one in here is a T41 and a 1/2 inch on the back. Put something underneath your muffler because this here is coming off and you don't want it to dangle. So yeah, put something underneath your muffler and give it a little bit of support because you don't want your muffler dangling. Once you take off the saddlebag support, it's also the muffler hanger. So keep that in mind. So let's continue on and see what kind of trouble I can get myself into here. Alright, well, you can see I got everything on in place. Don't tighten anything. I've left everything loose. You got it's a little fiddly to get it on there. I am concerned about clearance for the side cover in here, and I may put a small a thin washer under there because you don't use the seat support that is there. Your bike may or may not have that seat support. Your bike may or may not have that Torx screw there either. So yeah, make sure before you buy this kit and go to install it that you check and make sure those bolts are in your frame. A lot of people don't have them. So there we are. I'm gonna start to tighten everything up. Oh, you got to put the cross bolt in here too. So those are in the bottom of the box. And that's going to hold everything more or less square and even. So let me get that piece in and I'll come back. Okay, now because this here is a product of China, this here button head screw that goes through, that's a 4mm yeah, that's a 4mm Allen key, hex, wrench, whatever you want to call it, and that's 10mm nylocking nut. Okay, so keep that in mind. Pay attention now because there's a quiz at the end. Alrighty, I thought I might have had fitment issues under here, but nope, I don't. But I did have to flip the floorboard upside down momentarily to get the side cover back on because it just sits so high. I have a short wife, but yeah. Those look sweet. This fitment was perfect. I mean, perfect. And I'm going to be honest with you, this is actually the third set I ordered from a third different company on Amazon. And let me just say, the previous two, the fitment, no. They were either for a different model motorcycle or they were for a Softail or something, but no, there was no way they were ever going on, not without a cutting torch and remanufacturing and re-engineering both sets. So this one here, direct bolt on, I will provide a link down in the, I will provide a link in the bottom, or I will put a link in the bottom of the video if I figure that out. All right, let me do the other side real quick. I mean, all in all, this only took me about 40 minutes. So let me finish the other side, button it all up, and I'll just bring it down to ground level on the jack and leave it, you know, upright. And I'll just leave it on the ground level on the jack, and you can see what the whole thing looks like. Then I'll do a walk around. All right, man. So, oh, by the way, hey, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to the channel and share it and all that other good stuff. Tickle that, you know, YouTube algorithm for me. Give me that thumbs up and comments, please. Thank you. All right, well, there we are. We're all done. All in all, it took me just about 90 minutes to do both sides. I wasn't sure I was going to like the black or not, but my older brother suggested it because the bike is so dark, and he said there's plenty of chrome on it already. So yeah, I'm really digging the black. It's very stealthy looking. You don't even know they're on there. The fitment is perfect. I cannot say enough about this company I bought from. I'll provide a link down below under the title of the company. Yeah, this stuff is really good. It only took me 3 attempts from 3 different companies, but this company here, I mean, fitment was absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. All right, yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled for 80. I think it was $88 and change. Yeah, how can you beat $88 and change for something that's going to protect me? They're wicked sturdy. They're super strong, super strong. All right, again, thank you. Thumbs up, and I appreciate you hanging around. Short video, nice and quick, sweet to the point. Thank you again for sticking around. As always, peace and God bless.